In today's video, we are going to talk about what is automatic semicolon insertion or what is ASI in JavaScript. We must have used semicolon many times in JavaScript code. We use semicolon to terminate the line. Also, we must have observed that when we don't write semicolon, if we forgot to write semicolon, then the JavaScript is not going to give us any error, but the code run perfectly fine. So let's try a sample code and let's check that how things are happening. So suppose I am writing a console.log and here hello, and I forgot to write semicolon, and here I will add semicolon. Now let me run this code. Look, both the codes work perfectly fine. The first one is also running fine and the second one is also running fine. What does it mean? This means writing a semicolon at the end of a line is optional in JavaScript, and it also means when there is a line break, like in the first console, the JavaScript insert automatically a semicolon at the end, and this feature is called as automatic semicolon insertion. But wait, this is not the complete truth. As we remember, JavaScript doesn't insert a semicolon on every line break. That is now every new line. Suppose I am writing let a is equal to 3 multiplied it by, and in the next line I will write 5, and after that I will do a console. Here this code give perfectly correct answer 15, and here this it doesn't add any semicolon. Why? Because JavaScript see that there is an operator at the end of the line number 6, and it finds that the operator is alone, and it understands that there is something more remaining. That's why it doesn't add semicolon at line number 6, and this makes JavaScript more confusing, and as a developer you must know this behavior of JavaScript. Now let me create a function. So here I will create a function. So this is my function, name b. All right, and suppose I will write return. I will return here. I will return suppose an array 1. Okay, let me call this function. I will store c, and I will call the function b here. And after calling this function, I will console this. So guess the output. What will be the output of c? Means what should be the output? The output will be undefined. Let's check, and this is undefined. Why this is giving undefined? So this is giving undefined because it understands that there should be a semicolon here at this breakpoint, and this will be treated as undefined. But what will if we do like this? I will do like this will show an array. If I will do like this, it will also show an array. All right. So this is the thing happening, and it is preferable to use semicolon at the end of the line.